Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilowati. I'm an excellent Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. Welcome to my channel, Lighthouse Analytix. This channel is created with one purpose, to be a beacon of lights to those of you seeking ways to gain more proficiency with data and information in Excel as well as Power BI by working smarter and not harder. There are over 179,000 English words available, but we only need to know around 2,500 words. In other words, mastering only 1.4% of words, and we will be able to read and write emails, read newspaper articles, and understand each other. This is why the best way to learn English is not by reading dictionary from front to back, as that is not the wisest way to spend your time. The fastest way to learn is to identify, learn, practice, and master the 1% of the most frequently used words. Likewise, the best way to learn Excel and Power BI is not by going through all available features, functions, formulas from front to back, but instead focus on the 1% of the most frequently used items. In this channel, my goal is to show you the 1% knowledge that you need to acquire to give you the foundation to get started with Excel and Power BI, and to show you something exciting that you can apply in your day-to-day life whenever you need to provide or gain insight with speed and accuracy. After watching my video, please do leave some comments and feedback, as I do read every single one of them. They give me immense joy and keep me motivated in creating better contents in the future. See you next time!